was it gonna
Beef.
It's cow. I love you, Cowie. I know I'm eating you, but I'm eating you to survive. I love you. I love you too. Whatever you look like or whatever you sound like, you'll still be in my heart.
But why are you eating it?
I want to survive. I know animals don't survive sometimes, but we have no choice but to eat them sometimes when we don't know how to survive. But when the time has come, we have to eat it sometimes. Eating meat is sometimes important. I know I said I'm a vegetarian.
But you said you're a vegetarian, Jay.
You didn't let me finish. But if we don't have anything to eat, we can eat animals sometimes. Cook them, eat them. But animals, I hope you guys farmers, take care of your animals. Do a good job.
But when are you eating them?
Huh? I am eating them. Sorry, farmers, but tell the people who want to chop your animals that, hello, there's someone who says don't eat animals, cat and dogs and pigs and
So
cows.
Is this your last day eating?
No.
I thought you loved cows.
Cows. I do, but I just want to survive. What?